Hello everybody, this is Chris here today from Phone and Computer World, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to find the SIM and SD card holder on your Samsung A10s. For this video we're going to need a SIM card or an SD card, obviously the one you want to put in. This Samsung has two SIM holders, so we're going to put two in just for demonstration purposes. You're going to need a pin like so to take the holder out. If you have the Samsung box, they do provide you with one, a safety pin right there, as you can see, just here. You can use that, or you can use stuff like badges or a safety pin you've got around the house, something that's thin like this. So here's the holder, it's just up here on top of the volume button, right there. You can see the little hole. So what we do, we get the pin, put it in and just push a tiny bit, not too much. Put this there. And we can take it out like this. So for the SD card, place it in that way, like that, and the SIMs just coming out a little bit. Wow. In there and there. They do tend to be a bit loose, so watch out. And all we do is put them back in. And that's it. That's how you take the SD and the SIM card holder out to put your own in, or put a new one, or you want to take it out. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.